Let's begin by understanding the profound impact of sales-specific emotional intelligence. Key point 1. Sales-specific emotional intelligence is the secret weapon of ultra-high performers. Sales-specific emotional intelligence is a multifaceted skill that distinguishes ultra-high-performing sales professionals from the rest. It involves a nuanced understanding of emotions within the sales context, and it's characterized by several key components. Recognizing emotions in others, ultra-high performers have a remarkable ability to perceive and interpret the emotions of their clients and stakeholders accurately. They excel at reading subtle cues, such as changes in tone of voice, body language, and facial expressions. This skill allows them to gauge the emotional state of their audience, even when those emotions aren't explicitly stated. During a negotiation, an ultra-high performer might notice a client's hesitation in their voice and a furrowed brow, indicating underlying concerns about the proposed solution. Recognizing this, they can address those concerns with empathy and understanding. Empathizing effectively, beyond simply recognizing emotions, ultra-high performers possess a high degree of empathy. They not only understand the concerns, needs, and motivations of their clients but also connect with the emotional aspects of those needs. This deep level of empathy creates an authentic and meaningful connection between the salesperson and the client, a connection that extends beyond the transactional nature of the interaction. When a client expresses frustration about a particular issue, an ultra-high performer doesn't just acknowledge the frustration, they genuinely empathize with the client's frustration and work collaboratively to find a solution that alleviates it. Managing their own emotions, emotional resilience is a hallmark of ultra-high performing sales professionals. They can maintain their own emotional composure, even in high-stress situations. Whether facing rejection, navigating a challenging negotiation, or dealing with unexpected setbacks, they remain composed. This emotional stability enables them to think clearly, make rational decisions, and avoid impulsive reactions that could jeopardize the sales process. Imagine a scenario where a potential client expresses doubts about the proposed solution. Instead of becoming defensive or frustrated, an ultra-high performer remains calm and composed, asking probing questions to understand the client's concerns better. Building trust. Trust is the currency of successful sales, and emotional intelligence forms its foundation. Ultra-high performers use their emotional intelligence to create an environment where clients feel heard, understood, and valued. They establish trust by demonstrating authenticity, empathy, and a genuine interest in their client's well-being. A client is considering a significant investment in a product or service. They have reservations about its effectiveness. An ultra-high performer, through their emotional intelligence, builds trust by actively listening to the client's concerns, addressing them with empathy, and providing evidence and testimonials that alleviate doubts. In summary, sales-specific emotional intelligence is not merely about being emotionally aware, it's about using that awareness to create meaningful connections, build trust, and navigate the complexities of the sales process with finesse. It's a powerful tool that enables ultra-high performers to excel in their roles, ultimately leading to greater success in closing complex deals. Key point 2. Emotional intelligence helps ultra-high performers navigate the complexities of deals by understanding and managing the emotions of all parties involved. In complex deal closures, emotional intelligence serves as a guiding light for ultra-high performers, allowing them to navigate the intricate web of emotions that various stakeholders bring to the table. Here's a closer look. Building rapport. Ultra-high performers excel at building strong rapport with clients and stakeholders. They recognize that trust is the cornerstone of successful negotiations. By leveraging their emotional intelligence, they create an environment of trust and collaboration. During initial meetings, they take the time to genuinely connect with stakeholders, showing interest not only in the business aspects but also in personal interests and concerns. Conflict resolution. Complex deals often entail disagreements and conflicts among stakeholders. Emotional intelligence equips ultra-high performers with the tools to resolve conflicts diplomatically. They approach disagreements with empathy, seeking to understand the underlying emotions and concerns that fuel the conflict. When two stakeholders have opposing views, an ultra-high performer might mediate the discussion, actively listening to each party's concerns and finding common ground that addresses their emotional needs. Adaptation. Not all stakeholders are the same, and emotional intelligence allows ultra-high performers to adapt their communication and approach based on the emotions and preferences of each party involved. This flexibility ensures that they can effectively connect with and influence various stakeholders. When dealing with a cautious and risk-averse stakeholder, they might adopt a more conservative and data-driven approach, whereas with a visionary and enthusiastic stakeholder, they may emphasize the transformative potential of their solution. Building consensus. Emotional intelligence plays a pivotal role in facilitating consensus building. Ultra-high performers recognize that stakeholders may have different emotional motivations and priorities. They use their emotional intelligence to uncover what motivates each party and address their concerns empathetically, guiding the negotiation process toward a harmonious resolution. In a complex deal involving multiple departments, they work to understand the unique goals and emotional drivers of each department head, aligning those interests to create a shared vision for success. By understanding and managing the emotions of all parties involved, ultra-high performers create an atmosphere of trust, collaboration, and effective communication. They bridge gaps, resolve conflicts, and guide stakeholders toward a shared understanding and commitment. In complex deal closures, where emotions can run high, this skill is instrumental in achieving successful outcomes. Key point 3. Ultra-high performers use emotional intelligence to customize solutions that align with the emotional needs and priorities of clients, increasing the likelihood of deal acceptance. Tailoring solutions is a critical skill that sets ultra-high performing sales professionals apart. They recognize that it's not enough to offer a standard product or service. Success lies in crafting solutions that resonate with their clients on an emotional level. Here's a more in-depth look. Asking the right questions. Ultra-high performers leverage their emotional intelligence to ask insightful questions. These questions go beyond the surface-level needs of the client and delve into the emotional drivers and unspoken concerns. This approach helps them uncover the client's hidden motivations and desires. Instead of simply asking about a client's budget and requirements, they might inquire about the client's long-term vision and what personally excites them about the project. Crafting persuasive narratives. Emotional intelligence empowers them to craft compelling narratives around their solutions. They understand that clients are more likely to connect with a story that resonates with their emotions and aspirations. These narratives make the proposed solution not just logical but emotionally compelling. Instead of presenting a list of features, they paint a vivid picture of how the solution will transform the client's business or life, emphasizing the emotional benefits. Handling objections gracefully. Objections are a common part of the sales process, and ultra-high performers address them with empathy. They don't just counter objections logically, they delve into the emotional barriers that might underlie those objections. This approach helps in overcoming resistance more effectively. When a client objects due to concerns about the transition process, an ultra-high performer doesn't just provide technical details but also empathizes with the client's apprehension and offers a comprehensive plan to address those concerns. Closing with confidence. Timing is crucial in deal closures, and emotional intelligence plays a pivotal role here. Ultra-high performers use their emotional intelligence to gauge when the client is emotionally ready to commit. They don't rush the closing process but instead wait for the right moment, increasing the chances of a successful closure. Instead of pushing for a decision when a client is still uncertain, they might sense the client's growing enthusiasm and use that moment to confidently ask for the commitment. In essence, ultra-high performers understand that the decision-making process isn't purely rational, emotions play a significant role. By aligning their solutions with the emotional needs and priorities of their clients, they create a deeper connection and increase the likelihood of deal acceptance. It's not just about selling a product or service, it's about creating an emotionally resonant experience for the client that leads to successful and satisfying outcomes. Key point 4. Emotional resilience equips ultra-high performers to maintain composure and focus during high-stress moments, ensuring that deals stay on course. High-stress situations are a common occurrence in complex deal closures, and emotional resilience is the secret weapon that empowers ultra-high performers to thrive in such environments. Here's a closer examination of how emotional resilience plays a crucial role. Staying calm under pressure. When confronted with high-stress scenarios, ultra-high performers have the remarkable ability to maintain their composure. They remain calm and collected, even when faced with unexpected challenges or intense pressure. This emotional stability allows them to think clearly and make rational decisions. Imagine a scenario where a crucial stakeholder expresses strong dissatisfaction with a proposed solution. Instead of reacting emotionally, an ultra-high performer remains calm, listens actively to the concerns, and formulates a thoughtful response. Turning rejections into opportunities. In the world of sales, rejection is inevitable. What sets ultra-high performers apart is their capacity to bounce back from rejection with resilience. They view rejection not as a setback but as an opportunity to learn and improve. This mindset enables them to persevere and eventually secure the deal. After receiving a rejection from a prospective client, an ultra-high performer reflects on the feedback provided, refines their approach, and returns to the negotiation table with a more compelling proposal. Inspiring confidence, emotional resilience is palpable to clients and stakeholders. Ultra-high performers' ability to remain composed and confident in high-stress moments inspires confidence in those they interact with. Clients feel reassured that they are dealing with a professional who can handle any situation that arises during the negotiation and deal closing process. During a high-stakes negotiation, an ultra-high performer's unwavering confidence and poise instill a sense of trust in the client, convincing them that they are making the right decision. Problem solving. Complex deals often come with unexpected challenges and roadblocks. Emotional resilience equips ultra-high performers to approach these problems with a clear mind and a focus on finding solutions. They tackle issues head-on, leveraging their emotional stability to maintain a problem-solving mindset. When an unforeseen technical issue threatens to derail a deal, an ultra-high performer remains composed, mobilizes their team, and collaboratively works toward a resolution that satisfies all parties. In summary, emotional resilience is the bedrock of success for ultra-high performers in the realm of complex deal closures. It enables them to stay the course when faced with stress, setbacks, and rejection. Instead of being deterred by challenges, they view them as opportunities for growth and use their emotional resilience to inspire confidence in clients and stakeholders. By maintaining composure, problem-solving effectively, and bouncing back from setbacks, they ensure that deals not only survive high-stress moments but thrive in them. Key point 5. Ultra-high performers use emotional intelligence to build lasting client relationships after the deal is closed, leading to repeat business and referrals. Post-sale follow-up. They stay connected with clients, demonstrating continued care and support after the deal is closed. Addressing evolving needs. By staying in tune with clients' changing needs and emotions, they adapt their solutions over time, ensuring long-term satisfaction. Referrals and recommendations. Satisfied clients are more likely to refer others and provide glowing recommendations, fueling business growth. Trust and loyalty. Emotional intelligence fosters trust and loyalty, making clients more likely to choose them for future projects. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of emotional intelligence in sales. If you found this video insightful, as a favor to me, please like, subscribe, and share it with fellow sales professionals. Remember, emotional intelligence is the bridge to closing those complex deals and securing long-term success.